In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an eBay account and verify your details, as well as walk you through the process of listing a product for sale on this popular e-commerce platform. Whether you're looking to downsize your home, start a part-time business, or just make some extra cash, eBay can be a great place to showcase and sell your items. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll need to create an eBay account if you haven't already. Head over to eBay's website. On the home page, you'll find the register button. Click on it, and you'll be taken to a page where you'll enter your personal information. This typically includes your name, email address, and a secure password. Make sure to provide accurate information as it will be crucial for later verification steps. Once you've filled in the necessary fields, click Create Account. After setting up your account, eBay will usually send you a confirmation email. Go ahead and check your inbox for this email. And don't forget to check your spam folder if you don't see it right away. Click on the verification link inside that email to complete your registration. This step helps eBay ensure that the email address you provided is correct and accessible to you for future communications. Now, with your account set up and verified, you're ready to start selling. You'll want to look for and click the Sell option at the top of the eBay homepage. This is your gateway to the selling process. Once you click it, you'll be prompted to select a category for your item. Choosing an accurate category is key to ensuring that your item is easily found by potential buyers searching in that specific domain. Take a moment to think about what category best fits your item. Next comes crafting a clear and enticing title for your item, along with a detailed description. Your title should be concise yet descriptive, capturing the essence of your item. A great title helps in catching the eye of potential buyers. Following the title, the description section is your chance to provide more detailed information about the item. Include details like condition, size, color, and any unique features. The more information you provide, the easier you make it for buyers to understand what they're getting. Uploading high-quality photos is another crucial step. Images are the first thing buyers see, so ensure they are well lit and showcase the item from multiple angles. Clear and professional-looking images can significantly boost your chances of a sale, so consider this as your opportunity to make a great first impression. Finally, you'll need to set your price. Do a little market research to find out what similar items are selling for, so you can price competitively.